So today we're going to be doing an install on some LED headlights and some new housings on the OBS. So that's how it looks before. We got some clears, got some LED bulbs. Then we got some clears. Let's get into it. So to get started, we're going to take off these 4 screws on the 2 bottom ones. Then you're going to have a screw behind that for the grill. You can have one right there, and I'm missing that one, so I got to pull the grill out. You also have a screw right here, and mine's broke, which I have one right here as well. So I'll pull the bottom headlights out and I'll show you how it looks from there. So this is it with the bottom headlight bezels out, and then you're gonna take, there's a screw right there and one right there on each side, right there and right there. Let's pull those out. So in total, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 bolts to hold the whole grill on. When you get those done, you can just simply just work it out, and it should just come right on out. So this is it without the grill on it. And of course, don't forget, you have little clips right here all along the side, or the bottom, I'm sorry. So it's 4 mounting bolts on each side. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom on both sides, as you see. Once you do that, the whole headlight will just pull on out. I must also add, everything has been 7mm to get the grill off, and to get these upper headlights off is 10mm. So that's the only difference with it. So this is obviously how it looks, faceless. And then these are your 2 headlight plugs, and these are your 2 parking light plugs right here. And that's your corner light plug right there. So it's fairly simple to make sure everything's still in line. And from here, you just flip these out. Then if you have an LED, you just switch them out and then put your new housing in, 4 bolts. Just reverse everything that you just did. That easy. And also for the headlights, it is 9005 and 9006, which is HB3 and HB4 for the headlights. So that's how it looks, just the top headlights in. And then now we're doing the corner lights, and it's just a 13mm socket. 2 per, so 8 total. So this is with everything all done. The front end completely done. Got LEDs in it. Obviously still needs a new grill, but that's with the new lights and corner lights in. And this is with it off. That's how it looks off.